got one done. This is how it's going to look. It's just spacers. So I'll glue this to the bottom and route out the corner. I want to do my front and my sides before I put these down. So I'm going to build the other one, you know, a corner, and then I'll cut my two sides in the front. Should be cool. Got all kinds of weird shit planned with this box. Maybe 2 ports, one tuned low, one tuned at 32 or 34 hertz. Gonna route out a place for Ford logo on the front, do some vinyl work, kind of step up my game from shit I've never done and shit I've done. But it'll be fun. There they are. So now I gotta do my sides, and then take my sides. I gotta keep the saw in the same spot so I can use it as a jig, so I can cut my angle down my sides, because I gotta use that also to cut this at the proper angle. So I'm gonna start figuring out my sides here. All right.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double.
This is what it takes not to fuck up. And I still might, but I think I'll do good this time. So my thought is I'll glue this up and cut one out of that, use it to mark this. I'll be done with that hard shit, and then now I get all the rest of the hard shit after that. Alright, there's my side piece. I'm going to glue these two up, glue them together, and then use my side piece to mark them. Then set them on the saw on my little sled, cut them at the right side, and then do the angle shit. So It's still drooling though. Yeah. Drooling down the side of the box. Nothing I hate worse than super glue. So, let's just set that there while it dries. This one's dried. So, other than it being drooly, super glue is badass. So they're in. These are built. I'm going to set this at 14. Make sure my little sled works. Make sure its measurement right. Set this one on here and cut down that line with the blade out as far as I can. And see if that works. Wheeler's had a better angle, so you can watch me do this, but not gonna happen. Yeah, put you around the can. Might work.
One eternity later.
So I template taped it to this board, which is ready to be cut. Oh, the board's already been cut, but you get the idea. Yeah, it's already set. Fits with the blade. And then I'll cut this as high as possible. Blade comes up pretty good. So I'm gonna go super slow. So let's sit here and watch me hopefully not fuck up. Sorry, you guys are doing a fucking stanky leg on this thing. Okay. So, there you go. That's pretty well. See how the measurements are. Damn. It's perfect. Okay. Ouch. I really want to break that off. Alright, I'm gonna pop this one off. Do the same to the other one.
One eternity later.
Might have been a mistake to put it so far back, but I think it'll still work. Now it's time to figure out that angle exactly. I think it's 9.3 fast. Table's level. .3. Yeah, just under 10. So that's accurate. So now I could chop I guess I could chop this stuff, the little extra hangers off. It'd be safer because if it peels, it could chunk out. So I'll cut those off. Set this up. Alright, scary shit part. So the angle's cut. So 14-inch piece over here. The 7-inch piece is right here. That goes in here. I am going to see if I can work the sides because I got to do ports and I'm going to do flanges and all kinds of stuff. And I think either I'll pop these back off from the front because I've got stuff to do with the front and I need to not have a whole bunch of shit hanging off of it when I'm doing this stuff.